Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this yellow shaded semicircle with the center P fully inscribed in a quarter circle with the center O, as you can see in this given diagram, such that the area of this blue shaded region has been given to us as 17 centimeters square. And bear in mind that this quarter circle area consists of this yellow shaded region area plus the area of this blue shaded region. And now our task is to calculate the area of this yellow shaded semicircle, and we are supposed to justify our answer as well. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe, and please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started, and here's our very first step. Let's focus on this yellow shaded semicircle. We know this OP is the radius of this yellow semicircle. I'm going to label this one as lowercase r. Then this AP length is going to be lowercase r radius as well. And now let's make an observation. We can see this whole AO is the radius of this quarter circle. And this whole radius is going to be r plus r is going to give us 2 times lowercase r radius. So thus the radius of this quarter circle turns out to be 2 times lowercase r. And now let's make an observation. We can see the area of the yellow shaded semicircle is going to be equal to the area of the whole quarter circle minus the area of the blue shaded region, as you can see in this given equation. And now we can see the blue shaded region area has been given to us as 17 centimeter square. So therefore now our task is to focus on this quarter circle area, and likewise we are going to focus on this yellow shaded semicircle area as well. And now let's focus on this yellow shaded semicircle. And now let's recall the area of a circle formula. Area is always equal to pi times r square, where r is the radius. And since we are dealing with the semicircle, so therefore the semicircle area is going to be this area pi r square, and I'm going to divide it by 2. So therefore the yellow semicircle area is going to be pi r square divided by 2, since the radius of this semicircle is lowercase r. And now we are going to focus on this whole quarter circle, and we are going to use the very same area of a circle formula as well. And since we are dealing with the quarter circle, so therefore the quarter circle area is going to be this pi r square, and I'm going to divide this time by 4. So therefore the quarter circle area is going to be pi divided by 4 times the radius of this quarter circle is 2 times r. So I'm going to write down 2 times lowercase r whole square. And now we can see the square of this 2r is going to be simply 4 times r square. So therefore we can write pi divided by 4 times 4 times r square. And now we can see this 4 and 4 they cancel each other out. So therefore we are ended up with simply pi r square. So thus the area of this quarter circle turns out to be pi times lowercase r square. And now let's recall this equation once again. The yellow semicircle area is equal to the quarter circle area minus the blue shaded region area. And we already figured out this yellow semicircle area as pi r square divided by 2, and likewise the quarter circle area as pi r square, and the area of the blue shaded region has been given to us as 17. So let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this equation. So on the left hand side we got pi r square divided by 2 equals to pi times r square minus 17. And now I am going to move this left hand side pi r square divided by 2 on the other side, and at the very same time I'm going to move this negative 17 in the opposite direction. So therefore this is going to become positive 17 on the other side equals to pi times r square minus pi r square divided by 2. And now we are going to tweak this pi r square. This could be written as 2 pi r square divided by 2, as you can see in this next step. So therefore we can write 17 equals to 2 pi r square minus pi r square all over 2. And we can see in the numerator 2 pi r square minus pi r square is going to give us simply pi r square. So therefore our pi r square divided by 2 value turns out to be equal to 17. And now let's make an observation. We can see that our yellow semicircle area is pi r square divided by 2. And here we figured out our pi r square divided by 2 value as 17. So therefore we conclude that our this yellow semicircle area is going to be simply 17 centimeter square. So thus after all the calculations and manipulations, the yellow semicircle area turns out to be 17 centimeter square. So therefore the area of this yellow shaded semicircle is going to be 17 centimeter square. And now let's make an observation. We can see the area of this yellow shaded region is equal to the area of this blue shaded region. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.